So what is Curious Byte? Well, Curious Byte aims to educate and enlighten about all aspects of front-end web development, whether it be about the technical, so the day-to-day, the JavaScript, the TypeScript, the Sass, all that stuff. What can your personal life look like after you progress to a certain level, when you start, all that. And finally, the soft skills. So there's a lot of soft skills required to operate in this industry, a lot of which don't get talked about. And to go further up the chain, to do well, to better yourself, to better your team, to represent yourself better, there are a lot of soft skills that you need to know. So this is an opportunity to have an insight of this career that you may not have had before. And I hope it provides some value. That's what this channel aims to bring. So if that's interesting, stay tuned. There will be plenty of cool videos to follow.